This baby hair and body wash is a safe, effective, and natural way to cleanse your baby from piggy tails to tiny wiggly piggly toes. That's right. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Baby Hair and Body Wash. The primary use is topically on the skin as well as the scalp. And so the benefits of this hair and body wash for babies is that it supports a baby's soft skin, cleanses without disrupting the skin's natural balance, and is also clinically tested to be tear-free, which is a bonus. And then the directions for use are dispensing several pumps onto your hands or washcloth and applying to the hair and body, and then you can lather and rinse thoroughly after that as well. And then the other important thing to mention is that this is gentle enough for everyday use, and so this is a great replacement for some of the other competitors out there that may be a little bit more synthetic or toxic in nature, especially when you look at ingredients and things like that. But other than that, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates if you haven't already done so, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.